Hello, this is Take a Shop. Vintage Technics SL-1600 turntables often suffer from mechanical malfunctions, especially in the automatic mechanism, due to accumulated dirt and hardened old grease over time. For this reason, as part of my refurbishment process, I always completely disassemble the SL-1600, remove all old grease, apply fresh lubricant, and then reassemble the unit from scratch. In this video, I will walk you through the reassembly process of an SL-1600 after full disassembly and cleaning. Unfortunately, I forgot to record the disassembly and cleaning process. Sorry about that. Cleaned chassis. This is the chassis after cleaning. It has been wiped down with a neutral detergent after full disassembly. We will be rebuilding the unit starting from a completely bare chassis. Installing the center metal plate. First, install the central metal plate. Apply grease to the raised contact points on the chassis. I am using silicone grease for this step. Next, apply grease to the shaft of the metal plate, the corresponding slotted area on the chassis. Then assemble the parts. Insert the special washer and secure it with an E-ring. Apply a light coat of grease to this area before assembly. Important note, this washer has a specific orientation. In this video, I initially installed it incorrectly and later corrected it. Lower claw-shaped part and upper resin component. Next steps are: install the lower claw-shaped part, apply grease to the shaft, secure with an E-ring, attach the spring. After that, install the upper resin component. Be sure to apply grease to all sliding contact surfaces between the black resin part and adjacent components. Upper right metal plate and white resin part. Install the metal plate located at the upper right area. Insert it into the chassis, slide it into position, secure it with screws. Then place the white resin part on top. This resin part has a small protrusion on the underside. Do not forget to apply grease to that protrusion as well. Fix it using the special stepped screw. Apply grease to the stepped portion of the screw. After installation, slide the assembly by hand to confirm smooth movement. Caution: if the grease is too viscous, the movement will become sluggish. Use a low viscosity grease in this area. Additional resin parts and sliding sections. Install the additional resin part on top. Apply grease to all sliding surfaces. Install in the following order: washer, E-ring, spring. This section is critical for smooth operation. Power-linked metal component. This metal component is directly linked to the power on-off operation. Install the resin washer correctly. Do not apply grease here. This part must move freely with minimal resistance. Installing the power switch. Install the power switch. Insert, slide into position, secure with screws. Y-shaped resin part and spring. Flip the chassis upside down. Install the Y-shaped resin part. Secure it using only an E-ring. Return the chassis to its normal position and connect the spring to the previously installed part. Apply grease to this connection point. Identifying the cause of a malfunction. When the metal plate is moved fully to the right, the power switch should turn off even if it is currently on. However, this did not work correctly. The cause was an incorrectly oriented special washer installed earlier. After correcting the washer's orientation, the metal plate gained sufficient sliding range and the power switch began operating normally. Resin part that contacts the gear. Flip the chassis upside down again. Assemble the resin part that contacts the gear. This part is constantly under spring tension. Install the spring, insert the resin part onto the shaft, secure it with an E-ring. Hook the spring onto the resin part. Installing the main gear. Next, install the main gear. This gear also functions as a cam mechanism. Apply a generous amount of grease to the cam groove. The most difficult step in this entire process is fitting the cam mechanism shaft into the gear groove. Take your time, proceed slowly and carefully. If the shaft is not correctly seated in the groove, it will not move at all. Once properly installed, add the washer, secure it with an E-ring. Record size detection component. Flip the chassis over again. Insert the record size detection component. This part is very often seized due to hardened grease. Make sure it moves freely after cleaning and lubrication. Motor maintenance. Finally, perform maintenance on the motor. Flip it over and remove the 3 screws. Remove the gear ring. Needle nose pliers make this easier. Clean the shaft insertion hole and surrounding areas. Apply dedicated oil to the shaft. Reassemble the motor. Completion. Once the motor is reinstalled onto the chassis, the reassembly process is complete. Great work! At Take a Shop, I regularly share videos focused on the maintenance and repair of vintage Technics turntables. I also sell refurbished units and repair parts through eBay and Etsy. Please feel free to check them out. Thank you for watching.